Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
The 2018 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers, fog lights, electronic stability control, trip computer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.